Hello friends, welcome back to the SAP world. In this session, I'm going to discuss about stock transfers, which is very important for your SD, manufacturing, PP, finance, whoever the consultant takes place into the picture. So the stock transfers are very keen in manufacturing and retail. And if you talk about any stock relevant industry, and intercompany sales, which is the base for your SAP SD module. This is one of the key important process. So we're going to cover mix it up. So let's go to the details. So if stock is transferring in between two plants, for example, here plant 1 is there and plant 2 is there. Okay, these two plants are linked with in your configuration for the same company code. That means within the company code, if the stock transfer is happening in between the two plants, we'll call it as a intra-company stock transfer. Okay, in this above with my experience in standard level, 9 settings are there, key settings including your master data and everything. I have explained in detailed manner. When it comes to intercompany stock transfer, so it is happening between two company codes uniquely assigned individually to separate company codes. If you look at here, this is a difference. So two plans belongs to same company code. Here company codes separate, but stock transferring happening between two company code relevant to separate plans. This is called intercompany stock transfer. Inter means two. So you can find two company codes versus two plans for stock transfer. So this is detailed almost when you compare with this one and this one. Here, if you have pro forma invoice, if required at incoming level. So if you see here, in between two company codes, stock is transferring. Definitely, if this is the supplying code, then they will raise invoice to this company code. So after stock transfer, it should be chargeable. So it will be controlled by intercompany billing, that is called IV. So all these things you are going to see how the price will be calculated. So if this is a thing happening between these two company codes, maybe replenishment delivery or SD side delivery. So it depends on your customer requirement. Okay, so let's configure the stock transfers. It is very important for SDMM and FI consultants for integration perspective. When it comes to intercompany sales, for example, a customer orders certain stock for company code for ordering plant. So what happens? The stock is not available. So maybe this you can call it as your sister concern company or else outside company. In turn, for example, the one customer writes PO to this company code, but this company code relevant plant due to lack of the stock or maybe n number of reasons, stock will be delivered by the supply plant to this customer, initial ordered customer. So how is it possible? Like this customer writes PO to this company code, stock is not available. In turn, this company code, this ordering company code will raise purchase order to supplying company code. So that in between two plans, so maybe like 5% or 10% commission will be there, sometimes 1% or else zero commission if these two are belongs to n number of business scenarios comes into picture for intercompany sales. So that in turn, so the supplying plant will deliver the goods to the initial customer. So initial customer, this company code will raise the bill. So since stock is delivered by the supplying company code to ordering company code, so that in between two company codes, again one more time intercompany billing will be generated. So we have three key settings will be there to generate intercompany billing. So in detail level, in 3 sessions it is got explained. I would say these processes are very important, not only in terms of perspective of your interviews, and it is again more important for your learning and to implement the solution in real time. I wish you all the best. Keep on learning. Thank you. Have a great day.